If you ever wondered what's the difference between a design sprint and a hackathon, this video is for you. So what is the difference between a hackathon and a design sprint? A lot of people come up to us and say, I have already done a design sprint. We did it in a hackathon format, or we told I did a design sprint. I did a brainstorming session, or we've had a design thinking workshop. But design sprint is different. One of the most common questions we get asked is, what's the difference between a hackathon and a design sprint? There are some big differences. Difference number one, the framing of the challenge. Design sprints and hackathons are both designed to solve a challenge in a very short amount of time. In a hackathon, the challenges are very broad. For example, how to make the world greener. In a design sprint, the problem needs to be set to something specific. How to make a particular festival greener. The problem must be very specific and well-defined. Difference number two, the participants. Let's talk about the participants in a hackathon versus a design sprint. A hackathon is a very large event. Dozens of people break into teams of 2 to 6 people. There are usually many developers, but there may be many designers as well. A design sprint must include a multidisciplinary team. People from marketing, sales, customer support, tech people, UI, UX, to get all the important inputs from all team members. One of the most important things that the design sprint does is it aligns everyone, which is super important. Difference number three, the structure. The hackathon format is quite chaotic and open-ended. It can span over 2 days of sleepless teamwork, people having fun working on their solutions, and it can be also 5 days without the overnight thing. The design sprint is much more structured than the hackathon. It is very methodical and guided by a sprint lead. In the beginning, it was 5 days. Today, it's 4 days. The design sprint is kind of a workshop. So the hackathon is very fluid. It has no particular structure. In the design sprint, every hour is planned on what we're going to do. It's a series of exercises that we do one after the other. You can think of it like a recipe. Difference number four, the user testing. As for the user testing section, the hackathon is not very defined. In some cases, at the end of the hackathon, we might want to show the results to some people. We may be showing the results to stakeholders. We might want to decide whether to continue the project or not. And we may also want to test it with users. But it's not structured and it's not a must. In the design sprint, it is very structured. It's not a design sprint if at the end of the 4-day process, you're not showing the prototype to real users. And it's better if we don't know the users personally. We want to get the most authentic reactions from them, Both a hackathon and a design sprint are great to get things done fast. But the design sprint is much more goal-oriented and methodological. These are the main differences between the design sprint and the hackathon. So what do you like about the design sprints? What was your best experience with the hackathon? Let me know in the comments below here. Also, I'd like to know if you'd like any clarifications or if you just have any specific questions about design sprints or hackathons. Be sure to subscribe to our awesome channel and get more design, product, UX, and design sprint tips and tools.